Shemai, my name is Crystal, and we're going to do adage today in the center. So clear a space in your home, wherever your biggest space is, and if you have to reshuffle during the exercise, that'll be fine. So make sure, before you start this exercise with me, that you kind of go through the exercise we've been doing each day so that you're a bit more warm. So I've done a bar and a bit of stretching, so I'm a bit ready to do adage in the center. So make sure you do the same and have a read of our disclaimer. I'm going to wear my ballet shoes, but you can wear bare feet or socks. It's up to you. So I'll just teach the exercise first. So start in fifth position. You could also start a little bit open and you can start in first as well. Yeah? So it's your choice. We go. Développé devant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Then we're going to take our opposite leg and développé behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll go to the side, switching legs again. 1, 2, 3. We're going to keep it up there and do a little fondue. 4, 5, pas de bourrée, 6, to a lunge, and we're going to do a single turn. It's quite fun on the carpet. 7, 8. Yeah? And we have our left foot in front now to do the other side. So shall we just give it a go? If you need to pause and go back and watch the teaching again, that's fine. If not, let's go for it. Good job! Alright, really good work. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. And I want to thank David Plumpton for letting us use all his music. Alright.